Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between HeyGen versus ElevenLabs. Which one should you pick? Well, HeyGen and ElevenLabs are AI tools serving distinct creative purposes. Although their services intertwine, both of them have their features, pros and cons, and we'll be talking about them in this video. HeyGen excels in AI video generation featuring talking avatars with text-to-speech capabilities, while ElevenLabs specializes in producing realistic AI voices for audio projects. Your choice really depends on whether you need video content with speech or just high-quality voice output. We have the links to both services in the description so you can get a head start after this video. Starting with the features, HeyGen has AI avatars stock and custom. It also has text-to-video creation, text-to-speech, and a variety of video templates and options for video translation. ElevenLabs, on the other hand, has advanced text-to-speech, voice cloning, could be instant or professional, and speech synthesis with customizable parameters and multilingual capabilities. Now, when it comes to the pricing, HeyGen has a free plan at $0 per month, and you can make 3 videos of up to 3 minutes each. This also includes voice generation. You also have the creator plan at $29 per month, the team at $39 per month, and enterprise with a custom pricing, so you'll need to contact HeyGen for your specific needs in that case. On the other hand, you have ElevenLabs pricing, where they also have a free plan at $0 per month, but you have just 10 credits per month to create speech. Then you have the starter at $4.17 per month with 30,000 credits. The creator at $18.33 at 100k credits per month. The pro comes at $82.50 per month at 500,000 credits. You do have the scale at $275 per month with 2 million credits, business at $1,100 per month with 11 million credits to play with, and the enterprise comes at a custom pricing, so you will need to contact ElevenLabs for your quote. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, we'll be starting with HeyGen. With the pros, it simplifies video creation, user-friendly interface, a diverse range of avatars and templates, and supports multiple languages for video translation. On the flip side, with the cons, it can become expensive with higher usage. Video quality and avatar realism can vary, and the free plan has significant limitations. ElevenLabs, on the other hand, produces exceptionally realistic AI voices. Voice cloning is a powerful tool and a niche for them, versatility for various audio applications, and offers a generous free tier to start with. On the flip side, with the cons, it's primarily focused on audio, with limited visual features. Ethical implications of voice cloning need consideration, and there is a potential for pronunciation errors. In conclusion, you can select HeyGen if your core need is to produce videos with AI-driven presenters efficiently. On the other hand, you can select ElevenLabs if your priority is generating high-fidelity, natural-sounding AI voices for narration and other audio-centric projects. Don't forget that we have the link to both services in the description below so you can get a head start with any of them. And if you found this comparison helpful, do let us know in the comment section below which you'll be choosing, and thanks for watching.